Hi Ate Tori. I just want to take this time to say that I have always idolized you and I feel so lucky to have a cousin like you. In my eyes, you are my role model, my idol, and you are like a sister to me. Every time you visit my house, we always share laughter and happiness, and I will always cherish those moments. Thank you for all the memories and joy you have brought into my life. Even though we are growing up just like you and me, my love for you will never change. I promise that I'll always be here for you. Grabe, 18 ka na. I love you, Ate Tori. Once again, happy birthday, Ate Tori. I hope you have a wonderful day filled with laughter and love.
What's up mga ka-Shortlex? Nandito tayo ngayon sa West Event Space for Tori's 18th birthday. Ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo ngayon yung preparation. Estimated guest namin is 100 packs. Ayan, ito from Basilea. Yung sound system nila. Ito yung preparation room for the caterers, and this is the main hall. Ano ba tawag dito? Ito yata yung tinatawag nilang trusses ba tawag doon? Yan, mamaya iaangat yan. There. Para sa ceiling treatment. This side naman, on the second floor, meron silang room for makeup. And this one is the room for the debutant. There. Hi. Hi Ate. Happy birthday. Hi Kim. Ayan, mga muwa. Stio and Elise waiting for their turn. So etong West Event Space nga pala, pwede na namang walang ceiling treatment kasi maganda na high ceiling na naman siya. Kaya lang mas preferred ni Tori yung mga nakalaylay na mga decorations. Mga chairs. Ano ba tawag dito? Glass chairs and ghost chair. Ghost chair yata tawag dito. Kanina pa sila dito 8 AM. Right now it's 12 past 12 noon. So ano talaga, long preparation talaga for this one. Say hi. Nice. Who did your makeup? Me. Yeah. I'm your makeup artist. Nice. Lapit nang matapos and ready for the photo shoot. She's gonna have her first photo shoot of the day. Ganda na ng setup oh. Wow. Ay, nice. Ay, ang ganda oh. Oh my gosh. Ganda. Tayo, para hindi tayo maka-abala. Photoshoot sila eh. Ganda ni ate. Ay ate. Our debutant. Ito na yung table seats. Ang ganda si Oswaldo. Guest book. Behind the scenes. Ay, may tunnel pa. Oh, ready na, di ba? Video.
Ay, video!
Alas! Where's Alas? Alas! Ganda, ang ganda. Ang ganda naman.
Asa si Tori kaya?
Nandun sa harap. Ba't upo ka dito? Ano? Kayo ni Tia. I'll take a picture of you and Tia. This one is for the pictorial also. Gonna take a picture of Tori with her gowns. She's still there. They're at the entrance. Taking pictures pa rin. Ang ganda ng ano, ang galing nung Basilea. Itong events management. Very professional. Ang linis sa mga pagkakasetup. Look at this. Ayan na. Ay, kukunin ko na yung ano ko, suit ko. Sa City. Ang ganda mo naman, madam. Iba din. Oh, ang pogi at ang ganda naman. Ang ganda naman ng mga ano. Ng mga mag-JJS. There's Ate Tori. And this is the slushy bar. Ganda. I'm gonna be here. Just wait. So right now, Alas is taking video. He's my officer for today. He's the OIC.
PNP.
Yeah, PNP. Okay, you take a video. This time is for Tio. Mga pogi shots. And Lola and Lola are here. Hi. Ay si Daddy oh. Ay parang aatin ng ano, Quadcom committee ah.
Happy birthday. I love you.
Well, let's all welcome the bride and the groom.
Pwede tayo sabay na lang.
Sabay na lang. Sound check. Na-try mo sa ano, para marinig mo.
One smile, one kiss, two lonely hearts is all that it takes now, baby. You're my mind, every night, every day.
Ate, you're so pretty naman. Oo. Hi, ate. Ganda-ganda. Ganda ng debitan. Debitan namin. Para siyang Disney princess. Yan ang mga office mates ni Mommy. Previews. Video yan. Video. Video.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome to Tori and Awakened Meets on the big stage. Ladies and gentlemen, direct your eyes at the back. A big hand for Othello Carriza and Lindsay Atno. Making their way in, we have Axel Ginhawa and Alfie Ginhawa. Complete our Pavilion Honor this evening. A big hand to Sharisa, Victoria, Tori Ocariza, and Ethan for Paul Francisco.
Different perspective. It's Aiden Rosa's time. We're gonna dance. Yeah. They're dancing now. Waiting for our turn.
goes by a little faster than to last. It wasn't so long ago we walked together and you held my hand. And now you're getting too big to want to, but I hope you'll always understand that I'm always gonna lift you up, and I'm never gonna let you down. No matter what you do, I'm forever proud of you. I love you forever now. Through your ears I hear it, through your eyes I see a world full of magic, full of possibilities. You know as well as anybody how tough this life can be, but you've got so much strength inside you, a strength you pray you'll never need. And I'm always gonna lift you up, and I'm never gonna let you down. Time flies by, I hope you realize that I love you forever now. I'm always gonna be right here, I'm always gonna cheer you on, I'm always gonna have you there. You're never gonna be alone, and I'm always gonna lift you up. No, I'm never gonna let you down. No matter what you do, I'm forever proud of you. I love you forever now. Ooh, I love you forever now. Wow! Beautiful!
Ang gabi ito na maging ma-witness namin ang na malakas kami, naabot na namin yan. Salamat sa Diyos at pinakinggan ang aking prayer.
Let's go, Labbies! Parang hinahamon si Tori ng show down.
I love you. I'm so emotional.
Make your mom and dad proud. And also kung papasok ka in relationship, kailangan gamitin mong puso at utak. Happy 18th birthday, magkita na lang kayo soon, and they are proud of you, and you are lucky to have them. Again, happy 18th birthday. Ako, I love you, miss you so much.
Bluebells po representing the love and support po for Tori. This bluebell symbolizes prosperity and the bright future po that lies ahead for her. Puno po siya, puno! Kailangan po ubos. May happy Tori. Alright, let's proceed naman po sa school. Okay, I hope maraming classmates si Tori. Nakabahan ka ba or wala na, you're enjoying the night?
And it's making me feel like I matter in this world. And I'm so happy to see everyone here because they I was about to cry earlier. That's all.
Let's give a big hand everybody for Tori. It really shows, Tori, you are really
loved by many? Alright, so I'd like to ask Othello if you could pick one word, best describe your Ate Tori, anong word ito?
Perfect.
Wala na. Drop mic. Mic drop. Perfect. Ginalingan naman ni Othello. Let's have a quick picture, Othello and your ate. Closer kayo, please.
Is this a customized pop?
Palakpakan naman natin guys, si Othello. Ethan would like to know, guys, please stay lang tayo dito kasi sasali si Ethan sa atin. Ethan, come over here. Ethan would like to know, do you have any message for Tori this evening? And kasi medyo ang hirap na tapatan yung final word ni Othello. Perfect. Baka do you have any word, one word for Tori as well this evening?
Breathtaking. My word is breathtaking.
Breathtaking po yung sabi ni Ethan.